Alright guys, so we got a misfire on cylinder 6. So we're gonna go ahead and remove this intake, switch out the coil pack and the spark plug. Alright guys, so to release the sensor, you just push down on it and push outward. Alright guys, this is the old one. The old one broke. This is the new one. Alright guys, so you see, look, it's just gonna... Hold on. Use both hands. Alright guys, so we went ahead and disconnected this hose. It's supposed to have a clip on, but this one doesn't. And this right here, just disconnect it right here. Remove it from here, push it out of your way. There's gonna be a couple connections that we have to disconnect. But for the most part, this thing should just, once we unbolt it, it should just get out of our way. Alright guys, so we got 3 10mm nuts holding this hose and the housing in place. We got a bracket down in here too. We're gonna have to disconnect that as well. Alright guys, so we got this little one. You just pull out, push down, and then this one right here goes right here. So it'll get all these wires out of your way. Alright guys, so there's a bracket in here. I'm gonna go remove that. Alright guys, so the bracket wasn't connected. Alright guys, so we got one more sensor and the top piece was missing, so we had to go in here and lift up that red tab to push it out so we would be able to pull it off the throttle. Alright guys, so the bolts on the back side were these short ones, and then you have 3 of them right here, and those are the longest ones. There's 3 of them, and then there's 5 of the shorter ones. I think this one has to, oh, I might be wrong. This one might have to come off. Alright guys, so we removed the intake housing. This bracket right here looks like it's bent, so when we put everything back in, we're gonna have to put it like this, like wedge it downward, then lay it down versus just laying it down. Alright guys, so this is the cylinder that's giving us issues. Cover the housing so no debris gets in it. Alright guys, so you see how we have oil on this coil and we have oil on the spark plug. The valve cover gasket, the valve cover, this is the valve cover, this plastic piece right here. There's a gasket around the entire outline, and then there's one inside each circle. When the gasket in the center gives out, oil falls into this chamber, causing the boot to fail. You'd be surprised, man. Engine oil destroys things, bro. Alright guys, so initially we were gonna do Alright guys, so initially we were gonna replace a coil and a spark plug, but after further evaluation, we don't want to just replace the spark plug and the boot because it's gonna continue to happen. So the client agreed to get the entire valve cover, so stay tuned.